Hey you kids, and welcome to the first box software unboxing in, let's just say a while. The last piece of box software I unboxed was macOS 10 10.1 Puma. Still in mint condition. Very nice. I unboxed that in February of 2025. So yeah, it has been over a year since the last unboxing video. It's been almost a year and a quarter. So we have a new addition to the family. Yeah. So this one is actually quite special because this is actually OS2 Warp 3. I got it off eBay for like $80 C80, I think. Yeah. So, yeah, I think we're okay there. So, yeah. So we're going to unbox it and see what's inside. So, yeah. This is my second OS2 dedicated video. And I'm actually filming this on May 5th, but it's coming out on May 27th. So, yeah. Anyways, I got some scissors. Let's cut this open. Rip the shipping label off. Throw it in the trash. Alright. Okay. And it's open. The box is open. You can't really see it, but it's open. And here it is. Now, this is actually the red spine version, so this means, you know, there's no WinOS2 support in this one, which was a good feature. What's left is some styrofoam and other things. So, let's take a look inside this OS2 box. Not for sale. Well, then, why did I buy it then? This is actually very interesting. Might have been like a internal copies of some company. I don't even know what this sticker's here, but it's very interesting. You're on ramp to the information superhighway. That's what the box says. So yeah. So we actually open it kind of like an Apple product. You just open it like this. And now, this cover's coming off. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, look at this. The bonus pack. It's not really the bonus pack. Ooh, look, the bonus pack again. It's just an extra now. IBM. Yeah, I don't care. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is actually a floppy disk version. So, this is the bonus pack. Just a set of floppy disks. This is IBM Internet connection for OS2. Okay. We got bonus pack again. And more bonus pack. Okay, great. Let's see what's actually inside. Ooh, look at this. User's Guide to OS2 Warp. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this shit. You can't make this shit up. This is paper piece paste back. Even program list. Whatever. Let's see. User's Guide to OS2 Warp. Using advanced installation. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see, what's this? Sources and solutions. Maybe so. I guess it's pretty much for IBM. We got the OS2 logo, but we also got PC DOS and whatever the hell that thing is. Look at this. Total network. Network management applications. I guess that's what that symbol is. Okay, let's see. The right typeface makes everything come alive. Get live on Prodigy service. Oh, look at this. The Computer Press Association named OS2 Professional Best New Computer Magazine of 1993. Find out why. Let's see what else is in here. Congratulations. You now own the most powerful operating system on the market. Want to see just how powerful? Get yourself connected to CompuServe and use Golden Compass to do it. Yeah. Wattcom VX Rex. Visualize the power of OS2. Here's customer service and support. Just says OS2 V3. Oh yeah, let's see users of internet service and important information about your diskettes. Okay. So this is a floppy disk version. I was hoping it was a CD version, but whatever. What can you do? Okay, so here's the first set of floppy disks. This is the installation disk, and yeah. Here's the second set. Yep. Third set. Diskette number 10. And the drivers, I guess. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for the box. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. I guess we'll just get these. Should I open these? I'm not sure if I'm ever going to use them. I mean, there were some, like, floppy disks inside my Windows 2000 professional box, but they were just reproduction copies. But yeah, these floppy disks have actually never been. So yeah, these floppy disks have actually never been used, despite this being not sealed. But yeah. So let's just put these back in here. I'm actually gonna leave them sealed because I'm not sure when I'm gonna use them. But if I ever get some 90s retro computer and I need to, but if I ever get some 90s retro computer and, I want to install OS2 Warp 3 on it, well then, I know what to do. And there we go. OS2 Warp is in my hands. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!